Sari stars, how are things going on in your saree world? I'm Lakshmi and today at Kalpavasram I'm very happy to bring to you a beautiful and exquisite collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees. All the sarees I'm going to showcase in the video are all hand woven and they are all with pure zari. They are in a riot of colors, beautiful kaleidoscopic colors, and the motifs are so beautiful that you will fall in love with this collection. We begin with this beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree in a very unusual color. This color is referred to as Sampanga color, the color of Champaka flowers, and it's a mix of green and yellow. So as you can see, it's a very unusual shade like this, and it's a dual shade or a short color or what we call in Hindi as doop cham, meaning there are two shades in the saree. So when you step out in the sunlight, you will see different colors. You'll see a little bit of green, you'll see a little bit of yellow. Now this sari has korvai maroon borders like this, arakku borders with korvai, and korvai is the interlocking technique by which the body is interlocked to the border. This is a technique which is followed in Kanjivaram silk saris. So you can see the korvai borders here with two stripes of zari or reticulated zari. The body of the sari has star-shaped zari motifs. So this is a very beautiful and unusual combination of the Sampanga color with arakku borders, and the pallu of the sari is in the same arakku like this, and it has got zari with seepu. The blouse piece of the sari is in the same arakku color, and this makes for a very beautiful and unique and exclusive kind of Kanjivaram korvai silk sari. This is our first sari of the day. The sari I'm going to showcase now is again one of my favorites because my very first sari was in this color. And in fact, I draped that first sari of mine a couple of videos ago and many of you had appreciated it. So today we have a sari for you in the same color. This is called a deep Rukmini green and it's a very rich shade of green like this. The borders are narrow like this with Koilkand motifs, Koilkand borders like this, which are diamond shaped borders like this. The body of the sari has these small zari buttas, circular kind of buttas like this. And you can see that it's a very pretty shade of a Kanjivaram silk sari. Now coming to the pallu is a grand piece of art and it's woven with elaborate and intricate motifs. And you find motifs of a horse with a rider. You find motifs of yali. There is a grid of diamond shaped motifs. There are Rudraksha motifs. So all these motifs are richly done on this beautiful sari and it's a very grand and very beautiful sari. This sari has a running blouse fabric in the same color as the sari, but you can use your imagination and pair it with a contrast blouse if you want to give it a different effect. This is our second Kanjivaram silk sari of the day. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a festive and happy color. This again is a double tone or dual tone or short color or doop cham color. And here the colors are pink and orange. It's a mix of pink and orange, this beautiful sari. So this is the body of the sari like this. And you find that the body has bold Annam Chakram buttas done in zari like this all over the body. And the borders have these diagonal lines which are called as Banaras Pate. So this is a very festive sari. You can see the colors. They are very mesmerizing and breathtaking. This is the breathtaking pallu of the sari and it's woven with so much of detail. You find Mail Chakram motifs and then there is a row again of the same Banaras motifs we call them, which are diagonal lines. And again there is another row of Mail Chakram motifs here. So this is a spectacular sari and again when the sari is draped and when you step out in the daylight, you're sure to make an effect. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric, a fabric in the same color, but you can pair it with an orange blouse, a deep Rani pink blouse, a bottle green blouse, and all these will create a spectacular effect. This is our third Kanjivaram silk sari of the day. If the earlier two saris spelt grandeur and beauty, the one I'm going to show you now is all about elegance and simplicity. This is a no zari Kanjivaram silk sari with very tiny checks and we call them as podi cotton. Podi means very tiny. So the body of the sari is like this and it's done in a combination of mustard and arakku with very tiny checks all over the body. The borders are broad and they are in mustardish color and they are attached to the body using the korvai technique which you see here. So you see the korvai temples which are formed along the borders. The pallu of this elegant sari is in mustard like this, and the blouse fabric is also in the same mustardish color as the body of the sari. This is a no zari kanjivaram, a no zari korvai kanjivaram, so it is done completely in thread and there is no zari in it, and the borders are attached to the body using the korvai technique. I am now going to showcase a much loved and very popular combination in Kanjivaram silk sarees, and this one is in a rich green with red. Now this kind of combination you may have seen your mother, grandmother wear either a 6 yards or even in 9 yards Madasar sari, you must have seen this kind of combination. Many brides also opt for this particular combination of green and red because both these colors are considered as auspicious. So this is a beautiful body of the sari. This again is a Korvai Kanjivaram sari. So the red borders are attached to the green using the Korvai technique. So you see the temples here, and there are 2 rows of zari, 2 bands of zari here. So it is a retapate Korvai Kanjivaram sari. Retapate means 2 rows, and the body of the sari is in this rich jewel tone of green. It's a very fantastic and fabulous combination, this green and red. The pallu of the sari is in red like this, and it's got zari with seepareka like this. It's a very beautiful pallu, and the blouse piece is in red. So this sari paired with its own blouse will give a very beautiful and grand effect. This is a very vintage kind of combination that we have for you today. I am very happy to share that one of our much loved and best selling Kanjivarams is restocked. So we have this beauty for you here. So this is a maroonish red or arakku red kind of color, a very festive color, and the body of the sari has grids done in thread in combination of orange and a very light green kind of color. And the borders of the sari have this beautiful row of zari motifs, and the selvage in green highlights the beauty of the simple, elegant, classic sari. Now coming to the pallu of the sari, it has seepareka done in zari like this. And the blouse fabric of the sari is in the same arakku red as the body, but you can pair it with a green blouse or a mustard blouse, and those will also look very beautiful with this classic sari. This is a very festive sari and one of my absolute favorites from today's collection. Now I am going to show you a Kanjivaram silk sari that is perfect for small occasions. You can even wear it for some events at your workplace, etc. This again is a Korvai Kanjivaram sari, and it's a threadwork sari. There is no zari in the sari. The body of the sari is in a fabulous black like this. The borders of the sari are Korvai borders, and they are in maroon, and they are attached to this black body using the Korvai technique. Now it's a Varisapate border. Varisapate means different kind of motifs adorn the border. So you see a series of Annapakshi motifs here. You see a series of Tutripu motifs here. You see some Rudraksha motifs here. So these are done in a combination of green rust on the border. Now coming to the pallu is like this. It's in maroon and it's got similar motifs as the border has. The blouse piece of the sari is in maroon. So this combination of black and maroon and the fact that it's a no zari Korvai Kanjivaram sari makes it extremely attractive. A very unusual shade of lavender, a short lavender rather, in Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has cute deer or man motif on the border. So this is the beautiful dual toned body. It is a short color. It's got a mix of lavender and a little bit of purple in it. So it gives a very beautiful effect, a kind of double tone kind of effect when you drape it. And coming to the pallu has these zari lines, and these cute deer motifs and this dual color make this sari very beautiful. Our collection of exquisite and beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris in kaleidoscopic colors is available on our website www.kalpavasram.com. You can directly purchase these beautiful saris from our website, and in case you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us on our WhatsApp number 9769971513. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with many more saris and many more videos. Till then, take care and bye.